In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Kit. We're going to walk through how to update the main email that's connected to your Kit account. This is the email you use to log in and to receive important notifications, so it's worth taking a moment to do it carefully and double-check everything along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Kit account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A small menu will appear, and from that menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account. Inside the settings area, you'll see different sections or tabs. Look for the section labeled Account, and within that, click on the tab called General. This is where your basic account details are stored, including your current email address. On the General tab, find the field labeled Email. This should show the email address currently associated with your Kit account. Click into that field, delete the old email if needed, and carefully type in the new email address you want to use. Take a moment to make sure there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. Using the wrong email here can cause login or verification issues later, so it's important to get it exactly right. Once you've entered your new email address and confirmed it looks correct, look for the button labeled Save Changes. Click that button to update your account. At this point, Kit will usually prompt you to verify the new email address before the change is fully applied. Now, open a new tab or switch over to your email inbox for the new email address you just entered. Give it a moment and then look for a verification email from Kit. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it landed there. When you find the email, open it and click the verification link inside. This step confirms that you own the new email address and finalizes the change on your account. After you've clicked the verification link, your Kit login and account email should now be updated to the new address. The next time you sign in, use that new email, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your email in Kit.